Hi, this is the quick demo of Fast Track portal automation using Telerik Test Studio. So here is the automation project structure. I am opening one of the test script. So the test script code and the English like statement for the test script are displayed here. Object and object properties are shown there on the right side. So this is the test list. Using this you can run the test scripts as a shoot. So the test script execution has started. Test Studio has taken the control over the test execution. So the logging into the application has happened now. So after that, control goes to the available timesheets. It opens one of the available timesheet, enters the data into the start date, start time, end time, and the input data whatever is required is entered there. Like this you can add a new row of information, you can delete the existing rows, or you can edit the rows. So it is entering the second row of information there. So it's clicking on additional items. There it is entering the required information. So once that is done, it is submitting the timesheet. So you can see this submit successful message there, and after that it will go to submitted timesheets, and it opens the timesheet that is submitted earlier, and it approves that timesheet. So you can see the approved successful message there. So once it approve is done, it will wait for 5 minutes so that the interpreted results are available, and after 5 minutes it searches for the interpreted results. It opens the interpreted results, and you can see the interpreted results on the screen. And this interpreted results it exports to the Excel sheet, and it is saved in the Excel sheet, and you can see the log file generated automatically after the execution. And here you can, under the log file you can see the different test steps, and the green color indicates the test steps are passed successfully, and the red indicates the test steps are failed, but currently there are no red test steps here. So this indicates that all the test steps are passed. So you can see the overall test results here. So it shows a chart of overall test result. Green indicates everything has passed, and the comparison result of expected and actual interpreted result Excel sheets is shown here. The overall result is failed because some of these cell values inside the Excel sheets are not matching. So the values which are not matching are shown there. Here we are showing one of the failure scenario. So the failure test step is open there, and here it shows the summary of the failure, and the exception information is shown here, and the overall summary is shown here again. The image list shows the comparison of expected and actual screens, and here the information is given to how to resolve the issue.